Okay, so we're dealing with a 7 3/4 inch rise, and we're going to go with a 10-inch run. So we've crowned our piece of lumber already. Now all we're going to do is go 7 3/4 on this end and line up 10 on this here end. Now while we're here marking our 7 3/4, it's important to take into consideration the size of your tread. And in this case, our tread height is going to be 1.5 inches. So we want to take 7 3/4 right here, and we want to minus 1.5 inches. And the reason that we do that, if we didn't, that first step would be 1.5 inches higher than the rest of them. Now we can double check that by doing 7 3/4, 10, and we can see that our line is perfectly square. Now we're going to take off from this point, and we're going to count out our 7 steps. Now, in all actuality, that top piece there, that is our 7th step. So we actually only have 6 steps, okay? And then we're going to mount to that. So we need to count out now here 6 steps forward at a 7 3/4, 10 rise and run. So we're going to line up 10 on our mark that we've already made right here. We're going to line up 7 3/4 on this side over here. And then we're just going to mark that as soon as we get them nice and perfect. That's our 6th step right there. Now, a couple different ways you can do this. We can square that one off there and run our last step under that deck, or we can mount right to the face of it. So I'm just going to cut it long and then see what I want to do with it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's our 7 total steps. Now keep in mind our 7th step is the landing, so I don't need that step. I'm going to cut it that long anyway, just to see how I may want to mount and fasten this all together. Now we'll cut those.